In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to make Chrome your default browser on Windows PC or laptop. Making Chrome your default browser offers several benefits, including fast performance, strong security features, and seamless integration with Google services like Gmail and Google Drive. To do this, simply head to your Chrome. On your home page, click on your profile icon and select on this card icon to access your settings. On the settings page, select on Default Browser. You will want to click on Make Default. Your system settings page will appear on your screen. Simply click on Make Default right here and Google Chrome will get set as your default browser on your computer. That's how easy it is to set Google Chrome as default browser on your Windows PC or laptop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.